Angel notes. This is the review we'll do for the day. If you appreciate videos like this, all you gotta do is slap the like button. Keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. And let's see what they have to offer. Um, it's an interesting project. If you are aware of Nemesis DAO, you probably have heard of Angel Nodes. The protocol is managed by the team Nemesis, who are running the Nemesis DAO. It's the biggest and longest lasting DAO, by the way, protocol on the Binance Smart Chain. They already have KYC with Crypto Daily, Binance Smart Chain News, and CoinZilla, and the main staking protocol endorsed by many top tier YouTubers worldwide. I can see some videos being made um, already. The website is very well made. You can find all the socials up here, not obviously in the footer as well, but up here. So you just go in and you can already check everything. You can see if their Discord is active, Telegram is active, if they're getting really good social scores. You can buy them. There's the app. All of that is here. They're not afraid to show their socials because they actually have an active community behind them. It's basically the first co-product um, with Nemesis DAO. It was listed on CoinGecko on day 2, which is really good. They had a really good the way Nemesis DAO worked, especially in the first days. They were pushing content. They were pushing their roadmap. They were doing a lot of things in their team. The marketing team, the development team behind them is very strong. By the way, they have a lot of experience. The idea of Angel Nodes, they aim to become the world's biggest DeFi-as-a-Service node protocol. Team Nemesis have carefully analyzed all the node forks. I have been in touch with them to confirm them and adjusted the protocol metrics with new innovation accordingly. Regard 13 Angel is basically one Angel node when you're creating, from what I understand. It's a simple 4-step gameplay. Buy Angel, create a node, upgrade your node, collect earnings daily. Here it is. Where can you create your own nodes to generate a lifetime passive income? You have Angel 15% ROI, Dark Angel 16%, Archangel 18%, Nemesis Nemesis DAO 30% ROI per month, which is kind of insane. You can increase the yield of nodes by upgrading them to the upper tier. You can read more about what are Angel nodes in general in their docs. They all also have started their certi-coded, which is interesting. Not a lot of projects do that because it's obviously very expensive. When you go to the white paper, you can understand more about what are angel nodes. It's a DeFi staking game that brings sustainable yields, more than sustainable to be honest. The Nemesis plan get you 100% ROI without the compounding interest in 3 months. It's designed to open the doors of the future of DeFi to anyone. The protocol will facilitate future development to provide a community with sustainable DeFi as a service. Our protocol provides you with a node ecosystem where you can create your own nodes to generate a lifetime passive income. Node holders will get their rewards in the native tokens Angel, which you can see on CoinGecko right now. It's up 70%. Look at this, from $6 to $10, pretty much in a day. I actually had to make this video yesterday, which I guess would have been better. You would have been up 70%, but I guess it's still not too late to check the project out. I'll have a link for everything in the description down below. You have Nemesis node, yield boosters. The Nemesis node is interesting. It can be bought with Angel tokens. The only way to get a Nemesis node is by upgrading the Archangel node and waiting for 11 days. So it's not that easy to get the 30% ROI. But definitely something interesting. So you can probably start with the first one, 33%, the 13 Angel nodes for the 15% per month. You also have yield boosters. The very first Nemesis node players own will let them set a unique booster code linked to their wallet. And each Nemesis node will increase the booster slot number of player by 3. That's interesting. Another player who uses the booster node will instantly receive 6 Angel tokens, which are $10 by the way each. That's very interesting. Wow, yeah, it's very interesting. I'll have all the links for the project in the description down below. Definitely check it out ASAP if you can, and let me know your thoughts about Angel Nodes in the comment section down below. See you next video, next token. Bye.